As quilters, many of us have our favorite quilt shop that we love to visit and shop in and get ideas and take classes and just get to know the folks that work there and share our quilting experience with other people in the local area, and that's always a good time. But when you're visiting another city, that's a time to explore and find a new quilt shop to have an adventure in. It may only be once, so make the best of it. I'm Louise from Inspired Quilting by Louise, and I found a wonderful shop in Phoenix, Arizona. I was at the QuiltCon convention and had a great time shopping there, but I found this wonderful little shop out in Mesa, Arizona, and I want to introduce you to a Quilters Oasis. As if QuiltCon wasn't enough, we found a great local quilting store here in Mesa, Arizona, and I found some gorgeous fabrics I've got to share with you because you know this is going to be a new quilt coming up. And I want to thank Debbie. Debbie, say hi.
Hi.
What's the best thing about your store? What do folks love here most?
You can come in and feel like you're home.
I love it. And they have quilting classes and an online store. Let me just give you a quick bird's eye view and take a look at what they have. They have some wonderful, wonderful quilts all around the shop. And look at all this fabric and another room and back and a classroom. So make sure you check them out online. And here are the fabrics that I bought at a Quilters Oasis. I'm really, really happy with what I found. I've been really low on low volume batiks or low volumes in general, and they had a great selection of batiks. Most of these are the Hoffman Valley batiks. These each I got a couple yards of. I think there's actually 3 yards of this one. And I have some purples that I'm not quite sure what to do with. And when I saw this, I thought this will be really perfect to work with those. So that'll be a lot of fun. And I just want you to see these low volumes. They're such pretty, pretty fabrics. And some of them are just cream and tan. You see, this has a little bit of blue, almost a green in it. And this is just a tan on cream, which is pretty. And I like the concentric circles of the little slashes, which is a lot of fun. And you've seen me use this before, the purple dots. They're so pretty. And the leaves, I love the blue leaves. Those are really wonderful. And it works great as a background with all different kinds of fabrics that have blue in it. And look at this one. This has the light blue, and it has a little bit of gold on top of the cream background with bits of brown and lavender. So that's got everything that we could want. And this has a really light pattern, but it has some wonderful little geometric lines and some fun designs there. And of course, here's a botanical print, one of my favorites. I always love that. And this is sort of in an icy blue color that's real pretty. And here's another one that looks a bit like a floral, and I really like that as well. So these are going to be great to work with. But then I found this, and this is one of the multicolor batiks where you can get the fabric covered in this color, and then it comes with different batik prints. And I think this is called wheatgrass. And again, I'm pretty sure this is the Hoffman Valley batik, but I just love the colors. And with some of the bright summer quilts that I like to do, this is going to be perfect to work with. And then I saw this, and I really love this indigo. It's a pretty, it's a Riley Blake design called Indigo Garden. But again, it's florals, and I do like my florals. And look at how pretty these are. And they come in different sizes. So these are the large roses, then there's smaller. And just some fun background. These are a lot of like embroidery stitches you can do on your machines. And then we have it in the kind of a golden yellow instead of the indigo background. And some of the same prints, and this is sweet. I like that. That's really pretty. And look at these little tiny flowers on there. They're so pretty. And look at this. I like this corally color in the background with some fun, bright, almost kaleidoscope kind of pictures on there. And then we've got all the florals here, and we have some of the orange with the flowers and some geometrics. Look at those lines. Those are great fun. I like the chevron. And then here we have that kaleidoscope pattern in different colors and more stitches. And then we get into some turquoise green colors that are really pretty. So this will be a lot of fun to work with, and different shades of turquoise. Ooh, and look at that. I love that. That's a really wonderful red, but it's a blue red. I like that color a lot. And all those, and oh, this is almost a bit of fuchsia. That's pretty. And then we get into some greens. So there's a lot of colors here that are going to work well together, and that's going to make some gorgeous quilts right there. And then look at these cute little fat quarters. There's 4 of them, and they had them bundled together, and I thought they were really cute. Now these 2 are the same print, and they're just in different colors. This is called Forest Animals on Gray and on Primrose, and there's just a lot of foliage and wildlife pictures and some acorns, and there's rabbits and deer and fox and owls, and it's just kind of a fun print. But they hadn't matched with this hidden foxes in black and white, and you can see the little fox right there, and the fabrics and design has leaf patterns and all kinds of lines that are really pretty, and they work great with this fabric. And then of course this one. This is called Nocturnal Floral on Blue Lake. And while it doesn't have the animals in it, it just works wonderful. Look at that peachy color that they call primrose is the same. And there's some grays and there's lines. So that's going to work really well together. That'll make something fun. And this is something I am really excited about. This is by Free Spirit. It's called the Enchanted Fat Quarter Collection. And I think we need to pop this one open and see just what we have inside. Oh my goodness, we have knots on top of knots. I hope I can pull this apart quickly so we can see these fabrics. Here we go. All right, now these are all florals, and it's called the Enchanted Fat Quarter Bundle. And ooh, I like this. That's actually another low volume, but these are some wonderful colors. And oh, look at that's pretty. I like that. And we have a lot of turquoise and greens. We've got some orange with the turquoise and getting into these wild pinks. Oh, that's fun. And oh, I am beautiful, creative, brave, enough. All kinds of fun, encouraging words. That's fun. Oh, this is pretty. These are both the same print. This is on tan and this is on an orange. So those will be fun to work with. And look at these blues. Oh my goodness. With these great colors on the dark background. And here's some fun words of encouragement as well. And then, oh, another couple prints. So this is a great collection that's going to be a lot of fun to work with. And some bright colors with lots of wonderful patterns. I like the organic prints that you get some leafy patterns and some dots and circles. So there's going to be a lot of fun quilting with these fabrics. And I just wanted you to see what I found. I have another video. I'm going to show you all the fabrics that I got at QuiltCon at the conference. But this was a wonderful little shop that I wanted to share with you. And they are online. Their link is below. It's also on the business card that's in the video as well. So check them out. I think you'll enjoy what you might find. And I'll be back later with some more quilts made from these fabrics. It's going to be a lot of fun to come up with. Thanks so much. I enjoyed sharing this with you.